All right, I'm gonna change out my fan blade. So this is just a stock 327, no options. So it's just got the alternator, and also should also have the smog pump on there, but it's not installed. So what I'm going to do is we're going to remove the fan, which is here. Okay. And then for me, so I've got two notches. I've got one here for the alternator, another one here for the smog pump. So what we're gonna do is there are 4 bolts on the front side of the fan here. Okay. So it's 1/2 inch size. Before we start unscrewing those, we have to loosen our alternator, because when you take this fan off, there's the spool, the gapper, and then the fan blade itself. So that all comes off all as a unit. So we got to loosen that. All right, got the alternator loose. Okay, it's our 2 nuts, the one on top, and then you've got the one right here. All right, so you've got the long bolt in the front, and then the nut that is in the back, which is right here. All right, and now alternator's loose. And let's get that belt off. There we go. Okay, and now we can loosen those 4 bolts that are at the front here. All right, I got the fan blade off. There are bolts. And then for the shield, I don't think I've told you, it's just, for me, it's just 1 bolt right here. You take it off, and then there are 2 little knobs down below here where the shield. Okay, and then the reason why I'm replacing it is because my original fan is cracked. So let's... Wow, that's stuck on there. All right, wedge that off. Okay, so here's my original, and if you can see, right there, that's a good sized cracks in it. Got one there, and I think another one on the other side. I can't remember. Just that one big one. I know I had a second one in here somewhere. But anyway, so found a good friend online to get me a new one. So this is an original. So put these side by side. So that's the new one. Here's the original. Let's put it side. All right, so, and that's pretty good. So I'm gonna, it's already painted. I just need to wipe it down and get it nice and clean. Okay, that's better. All right, if you're curious on which way goes forward, so you got your ribs here. Those point towards the front of the car, and the indentation in the sides go towards the engine. Okay, so front, back. All right, so let's get this back together. Put that on there. All right, I took my shroud completely out, so we'll get that back in. Okay, push that towards the engine. Okay, and then we'll put our fan back on. All right, there we go. And then if you're curious on the torque for those, pretty easy to find. So fans and pulleys and belts, you're on the UPC6 A7, and then there is the L6 engine, and then the V8, and then there's our bolt right there for the fans. And you go up here, number 7, and it's Delta 2. You go down to the Delta 2. It's 20 to 27 pounds, so not much. So you can torque it if you want, but for me, that's pretty much hand tight with this little wrench I've got here. So it's not very tight at all. So you can torque it if you want, or get a comfortable tightness with a small wrench. You don't want to crank on that sucker because the threads on there, it's a fine machine thread versus a coarse thread. So let's finish this off. All right, shroud back on, and then the fan is on, good to go. And then let's get our belt back on. Just fish it around the fan. That alternator, and then down to the main pulley. All right, and then we'll get the alternator on. All right, guys, that's it. Real easy. And then I'll be working on some other stuff today too as well.